channel. My name is Connie Dube. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this sleek ponytail using no gel at all. So yeah, so let's get straight into it.
So starting out on freshly washed hair, I'm just going to go in with my Pantene Gold Series Heat Protectant because I will be blow drying and straightening my hair. So I literally make sure that my hair is saturated in heat protectant because I do have fine 4C hair and it's on the thin side as well, so I don't want to get any heat damage. And then I just go in with my hair dryer, so I prefer the hair dryer with the Afro comb. So I got this literally from the hair shop. I'll put the link for it in the description box because I believe you can also get it on Amazon. So I literally make sure my hair is thoroughly dry because I don't want to be straightening wet hair. So that's what my hair looks like once it's blow dried. I then go in and detangle the sections that I will be straightening. And I'm using straighteners that I got from Amazon, so I'll put the link for these straighteners in the description box as well. And the heat on this is very low, so if you see any smoke, that's because I did go in again with a little bit of heat protectant just to make sure that my hair is extra protected. So I make sure that I am straightening all the sections because I will not be using any gel to slick down my hair, so I need to make sure that it will be laying down flat without any problems. So I just make sure that I've straightened every section, and I just go in with 1 or 2 passes. Then I just detangle my hair again and put it up in a ponytail, and voila. So I then go in with my Got To Be glue spray. I literally just spray it bit by bit. This spray literally sticks to your hands, so your hands will end up feeling a little bit sticky as you continue, but I just make sure that all my hair is saturated in it. And as I spray, I also brush my hair up to make sure that it is going to stay and freeze in the position that I want it to be in. So yeah, I'm going in again with the brush and spraying some more and slicking it down. So I know it looks like I'm being rough because the video is fast forwarded, but I promise you I was not being rough. I was very gentle. And then going in with some expression braiding hair, I just literally cut that and I leave it the length that it comes. I believe this is like 40 something inches, and this hair gave me such a difficult time. I had to get a helping hand because it was so long and it kept tangling up on me, so I asked my friend to just hold the end while I braided it all the way down, and the hair was tangling. So I would say make sure you have a brush at hand or a wide tooth comb to detangle the hair. And once that's braided, this is what the ponytail looks like. It is very long and exactly what I wanted. So I went ahead and attached a hairband to the tip of that ponytail and attached it to my hair that was still out. And unfortunately I had forgotten my bobby pins, so what I did is I took some of the expression hair that was left over and I kind of used it as a hairband to just cover up the part between my natural hair and the actual pony. So I literally just made sure that I wrapped it around until that part was covered, and it also just secured it, and voila, there we have it.
So that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this far. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. And stay connected with me on my social medias, which are linked down below. And also let me know what other videos you would like to see from me next. Stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!